As an American come to the Philippines, I'm going to be trying one of those dishes, the adobong with sitaw with pork. I may say it wrong, but the picture's up there somewhere. If you do enjoy this type of content, please give me a like, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and let's just get right into the video. So here's the adobong sitaw with pork, sweet and spicy. It is good with soft drinks, but we do not have soft drinks at the moment. So we're going to try this part first. Before we try anything, shout out to Violet Cat Cooks. Her name is right here. And if you want to know how she made it, you can actually go to her channel or follow her on Facebook, link in the description. And this is how she made it. So let's go ahead and try it. We're going to try this part first. It melts in your mouth. It's very tender. Wait, yo. Alright, we're going to try the string beans. I can do this every day, y'all. Our string beans. It is amazing with boiled egg, y'all. Adobo is actually my personal favorites out here in the Philippines, by the way. Pork adobo, chicken adobo, and chop adobo instead of fish adobo. One second now, we're gonna go ahead and get more. Okay, we had got more. This adobong, the sitaw, the pork is really delicious. I'm currently new to this whole vlogging thing. We started about like a year ago. It's very tender. Drink some soup. Right. Well, that's kind of concludes today's video. If you did enjoy, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Type hi in the comments if you made it this far in the video. And yeah, that's kind of concludes today's video. Buy my merchandise, link in the description. You can follow my Instagram, second link. And yeah, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. And I'll see you guys next time. We're out. Peace. Is it too much to ask for?